Hi, everybody. Barbara Friedberg here, owner of Robo-Advisor Pros and Barbara Friedberg Personal Finance. I'm also a former portfolio manager and university investments instructor. Today, we're going to be comparing two top robo-advisors, Wealthfront and Vanguard. I love robo-advisors because they manage your money in a smart way for low fees. And many robo-advisors, including Vanguard's, offer free human financial advisors. Well, not really free, but low fee included with your overall price. Wealthfront is one of the earliest robo-advisors or digital wealth managers. It's got a lot of adoption, very, very popular. Vanguard is newer onto the field of robo-investing, but if you've been anywhere in the investment realm, you know that Vanguard is a trusted company. So let's get started. Okay, Vanguard is a little bit different than Wealthfront because it offers two robo-advisor services. One is their digital advisor services, which is a completely automated investment manager. They give you a really top-notch risk quiz where you discuss your goals and how comfortable you are with the ups and downs in the stock market. And they present to you a mix of assets or an asset allocation that's in line with how you answer the questionnaire. Then they invest in 4 funds on your behalf and rebalance them back to your original investment mix when necessary. The personal advisor services is a little more high touch because you get an investment advisor who handles the entire process of the Vanguard personal advisors robo-advisor. So they guide the process. You get a free financial advisor and you also get the automated investment services. So let's dig in. Wealthfront, on the other hand, is a premier digital financial investing website and app. And they help you with your questions, your concerns about money. They help you earn more through smart investment strategies. They offer a cash account, automated, which like Wealthfront, like Vanguard's products, means that they choose a portfolio that is in line with your goals and your risk tolerance. One thing I love about Vanguard is their chief investment officer is Burton Malkiel. He's the author of Random Walk Down Wall Street and is an investing great. So that gives Wealthfront a lot of credibility. You can keep all of your finances in a single view. They also offer Borrow, which is a way that you can borrow a portion of your investment portfolio at a really low rate. So if you have an expense that you don't want to that you want to pay for now but don't want to sell your investments, you can borrow a little money to pay for a vacation or a wedding and then pay it back and your investments will continue to earn for you. So let's get down to the main differences and similarities. First of all, similarities. They're both robo-advisors, okay? Main differences are investment minimums, fees, and access to human financial advisors. Wealthfront, you can get started with only $500. Vanguard has a higher barrier to entry. So with the digital investment app, you need $3,000 to get started. I remember when I first started investing back in the 80s, I didn't have $3,000 to get started, and a lot of the mutual funds required that amount. That's why I'm so thrilled today that there are ways for small investors to get into the investment markets. Now, the personal advisor services is a more high barrier to entry. You need $50,000, and that gives you access to personal financial advisors. You get a financial plan. You get a lot more comprehensive money management or money management access. The thing I love about Vanguard is, of course, their platform. I've been a Vanguard investor for years, just investing in their index funds. And by the way, fun fact, Vanguard really was the pioneer in index fund investing. But even if you don't have $50,000 to invest in the Vanguard Personal Advisor platform, what you can do if you have more money in other Vanguard accounts, they will count that so that you could get started with a personal advisor with a smaller amount, even if you have money in other Vanguard accounts, to equal up to the $50,000. Now, they both have really, really good educational materials, calculators, planning tools. For that comparison, it is a wash. So far, you're seeing some similarities and some differences. Now, here's another major difference: the fees. Wealthfront charges a blanket 0.25 of assets under management. That means if you had $1,000 to invest, then you would be paying $2.50. So that's not a year. So that's not very much. Now, Vanguard's fees are a little bit friendlier. Their digital platform only costs 0.15% of assets under management, and their personal advisor services fees are only 0.30% of assets under management if you have up to $5 million. And the fees go down as your account value goes up. This 0.30% is very, very competitive. But I do have to say that if you want another robo-advisor with access to financial advisors, the SoFi Invest platform is actually fee-free. Of course, both of these platforms have investments in funds, index funds, both ETFs and mutual funds, and there will be small management fees levied on those. So let's go through the top features of each. We'll talk about the funds, and then we'll wrap it up, and I'll help you discern which platform is best for you. Wealthfront is all digital. They have an awesome digital financial planner, which they claim really can go head to head with a human financial advisor. They have the best digital advisor that I've seen with a lot of really detailed questions. Wealthfront also offers tax loss harvesting, which is a feature that will reduce your tax bill and may even increase returns. They do have to offer a little bit of active investments, which would be smart beta, risk parity investing. But in general, they are a passive investing platform. For larger accounts, Wealthfront has individual stock investing. They also offer cash management and lending, as I've discussed before. Their high yield cash account offers a debit card as well. These are really nice features at the Wealthfront platform. Now, the top features at Vanguard, the digital, is really a plain vanilla robo-advisor. They have 4 low-fee ETFs, and it is basically retirement focused. The personal advisor is a little more comprehensive, and they have passive investing styles as well as active investment styles. The funds, let's just go down and take a really quick look. I like Wealthfront's funds. I think they're very nicely diversified. And They pretty much cover the gamut of what you would want in your portfolio, from US to international stocks. They also have a growing dividend fund. They have a whole range of bond funds from corporate to government. Wealthfront also offers a little bit of access to real estate and natural resources energy. So that, frankly, you don't need any more funds. I'm not crazy about the basic funds offered in the Vanguard Digital. They only offer four, and in reality, yeah, that's enough. But I personally like a little broader diversification in my investing. And that's where if you go with the Vanguard personal advisor, you're going to get a lot more diversification and active and passive investing. Final differences are available accounts. And this is one place where Wealthfront is very unique. They offer all of your standard individual and joint investment accounts, Roth, IRA, SEP, rollover IRAs, trusts, high yield checking cash account with a debit card. But here's where Wealthfront is different. If you have a child that you want to save for college, save money for college for, Wealthfront offers a 529 college savings plan account. I'm not aware of any other robo advisors that offer that account. That's a big draw in my mind. On the Vanguard side, the digital is limited. They offer basically individual and joint investment accounts and the basic retirement accounts of Roth, traditional, and IRA. Now, the more comprehensive and higher fee personal advisor also offers trusts, SEP accounts, and a greater choice of investment accounts. Contact is pretty comparable, except you get the live advisors with the personal advisor at Vanguard. Cash management, I do like that Wealthfront has that under one roof. With Vanguard, they don't have easy access to cash management. If you needed cash management, a debit card linked to your robo-advisor account, that sort of thing, you really can't have that. You'd have to go open an investment account and then access their cash management tools that way. Again, borrowing, love the borrow aspect of Wealthfront because you can borrow with their portfolio line of credit and use the money for anything you want. You can borrow up to 30% of your account, and the interest rate is really low. This is available, though, only if you have $25,000. Vanguard, again, falls short on this because they do offer margin loans, but they're available through their brokerage arm, not through the robo-advisory arm. Now, here's a sweet little promotion just for you. If you do sign up for Wealthfront with my link, you will get your first $5,000 managed for free. This is a sweet deal for you smaller investors just looking to get started. So let's wrap up. Which one is best for you? I would say if you are looking for a digital investment advisor, then hands down, Wealthfront is your pick. It's designed to be a top of the line automated investment manager with a lot of really awesome bells and whistles, a lot of extras. This is what they're designed for, and they do it very, very well. But, and again, the choice is very easy because if you're looking for a financial advisor, a live advisor who you want a video chat with, well, then you've got to choose Vanguard Personal Advisors because Wealthfront doesn't offer that. I hope this has been helpful. Please sign up for my channel. Leave your comments in the space below. I will include a direct link to both platforms. If you do click on the Wealthfront link, That is an affiliate link, which means I'll get a small payment that is used to offset the cost of presenting you with these videos. You'll also get some links to the comprehensive Wealthfront versus Vanguard Robo-Advisor review. Also, links to the Wealthfront review and the Vanguard Robo-Advisor review. Thanks so much for coming. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.